Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to fix this problem in Windows 10 and how to fix this problem. You have to watch this video last. So let's start the video. So first you lock your desktop by Windows depressing on your PC keyboard. After locking the desktop, you have to hold down the shift key. While restart, you will have to remember to keep holding the shift key. After that, same advanced setting will open in your PC and you will be see 3-step option. You have clicking on the troubleshoot option. That again you will have 3 option. Again you have backup in Microsoft Diagnostic and Recovery Toolset. After that your computer will be turned off and then will turn on. You will see same setting like this. You have got it by clicking on disk V from the setting. After simply click on the start button. After restarting, you have to write the name of the Windows partition in which you have installed Windows and format or delete the old Windows. Then your error will be fixed. Your partition, Windows partition format. If you want to format another partition, you can format it by write the partition name. Formatting will take 10 to 20 minutes to processing time. The formatting you have cancel everything and restart your computer. Insert a bootable USB or CD and start the Windows installation by starting your Windows menu. I hope your problem will be solved 100%.